Hello, mate.
Oh, you mate, alright.
There's the man from the internet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bloody traffic. I've been stuck in that traffic down there for a good 15 minutes.
Well, on our roundabout?
Yeah.
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 They might get that done one day. Do you want a cup of here?
Yeah, well, it's up to you if you want to go. It's up to you. I have first, mate.
No, I'll have a cup of
Yeah,
here.
well. Yeah, it's up to you. I tell you, I don't know.
I'll take you over to work then. You can have
Yeah,
a
we'll
look.
see Jason. Look, and
then I'll take you to Jason's and...
yeah. Oh, this mine, is it? Knock your door.
Yeah.
You know. That's big, isn't it?
It's Suzuki, eh?
What's that bridge for then, Rob? Just for taking stuff across, or vehicles, or what?
It does vehicles now once a week. It used to be open every day because I lived just around the corner, yeah. But now it's open about once a week. That's all they can afford it, and it costs £1 to go across, you know.
Right.
But I used to use that as my playground because when I was a kid I was always over here.
Yeah.
And then when I grew up, either side of this road here where it is used to be my factories.
Right.
So I actually worked there all my fucking life. But you know, everybody stops in there. Look, you can have your photos and.
Big piece of steel, isn't it?
I mean, it's a lot. I think they're going to flat pack it before long.
Yeah, they sell it to America.
Yeah.
Must be Bob and stew there.
Did you open the?
Oh, I go to the front. Oh, yes, stew. How you doing?
You alright? How are you?
Coming into the
Okay.
way. I'm just finishing off a little job. Willow.
Oh, Willow's here, isn't he?
Hello, mate. Somebody knocking the door.
All right, come here.
Oh, don't tell my wife that. Oh, you fucking filming me as well?
What's that?
It's just from the get a fucking hot box for Dave as well.
What's wrong with doing that?
Don't touch on you, being in fucking hands.
I didn't bring our camera. I would have brought it, and you could have.
Yeah, well, I don't know whether he's doing it.
Well, you put a magnet on there or something.
Yeah. She's in there. Oh, she's got magnets.
I was going to suggest you, because of the brightness, you needed a...
Yeah. That's all about, like.
Some magnet, so will it affect the SIM card?
No, it's working alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I set it on steel with that.
So why didn't you do it the same size as the glass?
Because I'm cutting the glass down, right? And it's just too big a box, right? So I'm going to cut the glass down, that's fine, you get that.
Right, yeah.
With a full thing, you know, it's just a bit.
Yeah, cool. Got to ask these questions, see, because there's 1,000 people out there asking.
I didn't want to make it that big. I wanted to make it just to make it big enough to fit the camera in. That is, it was like...
Is that a GoPro, is it?
No, it was a copy. It's Chinese...
eBay, 25 quid.
Brilliant!
Are they any good?
Yeah.
All the footage I've got of the bag going up and down for that.
Yeah. No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a couple of them there.
Okay. Wi-Fi.
Oh, that's what he's back on there. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, haven't you? Huh? FS1E.
Rapid little over there, that was.
With them, you get all the bits and pieces with them as well, you know, for that price.
Yeah, I'll get one there for 25 quid.
You can't go wrong.
Just for messing about, bro.
Oh, I think I know for another one, so I think we went to my sister's shop, into the charity shop. I know. Let me just finish this little while.
Okay.
With my gloves.
And we'll have a cup of tea. I'm not drinking, no? I enjoyed it last night.
I said I lost 9 subscribers.
You lost 9 subscribers?
Yeah. Last night. So a lot of people come and ask where they was, didn't they?
I said that's because of me, James. UFOs. Isn't it?
I think it was purely because what I said about them, that's all.
Oh, you said anything to her,
I don't take prisoners, you know that.
Yeah, good work.
Nice to see the sun everywhere.
Oh, beautiful day. Yeah. Oh, you got two of them?
Yeah, that's a midget, the far one, and this is the MG,
Right.
the GT. But when these are gone, I can shift one of them over here, and
Back over here.
because that was restored
Was it?
10 years ago. I done
You
that
had
one.
the cats and that, didn't you?
Yeah,
Kittens.
and then that one is nearly finished. So
Yeah.
I want to get rid of Alfie's house. All this fucking aluminium shit.
Yeah.
There's a trailer full of fucking MG here.
Right, I'm going to shoot off then.
Thank you, thank
And
you.
if I don't see you before, I'll see you next week. Next Thursday.
On the leave.
Alright? Catch you soon, mate.
All right, Mugger.
Ta-da.